The Oral-B IO Series 9 has simple but smart power controls. The main power button is located on the front of the handle beneath the display. To turn it on, press and hold the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds until you feel a vibration and the screen lights up. If the brush was used recently, a quick single press may be enough to activate it. To turn it off manually, press and hold the power button for around 3 to 4 seconds until the display shuts down. The brush will also power off automatically after completing the 2-minute brushing cycle or after short inactivity. For a forced shutdown, hold the power button for more than 10 seconds. If the brush becomes unresponsive, hold it for 15 to 20 seconds to trigger a reset. The IO Series 9 also enters sleep mode after extended inactivity to preserve battery life. If it doesn't wake normally, perform a hard reset by holding the power button for 15 to 20 seconds and placing it on the charger immediately afterward. Keeping the charging base clean and the app updated helps prevent most power issues.